Thought I'd have a go for the squid in the morning. Normally doing it late afternoon at night time, but at the moment thought I'd give it a go in the morning because there's no wind. It's perfect conditions. So you can see the Busselton Jetty. It's the longest wood jetty in the southern hemisphere, 1841 metres long. So it's a bit of exercise walking down to the end, but the results will be worth it. Yeah, that's what we're looking for along the jetty. The old ink stains. Plenty of ink stains means plenty of squid. We've just caught them recently, probably last night, so we'll give it a go and hopefully we'll get one pretty quickly. What the fuck is that? Octopus. Oh, cuttlefish. Mate, that's huge. Oh fuck, he got off. Rightio, second one, you beauty. Not a bad size either. Jesus, this is huge.
We got one of this today.
Did you?
Yeah.
That's a big one, that one.
Yeah.
Geez, I've got a size 14 boot. It's big. Size one again. Okay everyone, well, wasn't too bad a squidding session. Managed to get a few squid for a feed, a couple of cuttlefish as well. I'll save the cuttlefish for later and I'll save their ink so I can make a squid ink risotto or squid ink pasta. So on the way home now and we'll cook the squid up. Well, pretty successful fishing trip off the Busselton Jetty there, catching the squid. Managed to get some decent sized squid, including one to about 35 centimetre hood. Lost a really big cuttlefish, which was unfortunate, but managed to get another one, but I'll keep that and save that and get the ink sac out of that one so I can make a like a squid ink risotto or squid ink pasta. Just doing a nice simple cooking dish, just a crumb calamari, just with some tartare sauce. Nice, easy, quick, simple dish to do. Big favourite of everyone. So let's get into it. G'day everyone, welcome back to Motorbung Aussie. Oh, that was nice, quick, simple, easy dish, and look, that was the big squid and one other squid, and look, so many squid rings there. So just cut them thinly, so they cook quicker. And like I say, a bit of seasoned flour, plain flour, 1 egg, 1 cup of milk, mix that together, and then into the breadcrumbs. You can use panko breadcrumbs if you wish, or for something a bit different, you can put a bit of lemon pepper in, a bit of flour, maybe some Cajun spices, and just simple here, tartare sauce and lemon. I'll give it a bit of a taste test. Nice and crispy. And the squid, like I said before, and I'll keep saying, tastes 10 times better fresh than what it does frozen. So something nice and simple, give it a try. Go down to Busselton, there's always people catching squid down there. You know, with the squid jigs, I find the white albino squid jig the best. And get yourself a feed of fresh squid. Can't beat it. Thanks for watching. Hit the like and subscribe button. We'll see you for the next video. Thank you.